Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to film this video. It's been really hot a couple of days this past couple of weeks or whatever. Some days I just don't feel like wearing foundation, so I'll skip it. My face starts to sweat and the foundation gets all gross. This is the makeup routine I've been using whenever it's really hot out and I go outside and can literally feel my face melting off in the sun. So I hope you enjoy this. It's really simple, really easy, it's very quick, and I think I might add a little bit of like glowiness to it. Totally optional. So let's just get started. I'm gonna start with a primer. This is the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer. Only need a little bit, like this is what I'm using. I like to use hydrating primers anytime that I can because my skin gets kind of dry throughout the day. On a day like today, when supposedly it's too hot for foundation, you might want to go with a mattifying primer just in case the sun makes your skin look oily. I'm gonna do my eyebrows next, so I just want to remove any of that primer that I got on my eyebrows so that the product sticks to my skin better. Today I'm gonna keep it simple and I'm going in with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist pencil. And then I'll take the e.l.f. Clear Brow Gel and set them. So now I'm gonna go right in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and I'm gonna cover up my dark circles under my eyes just with a tiny bit. You don't need to go crazy. Any dark spots or blemishes that I have. I'm gonna go ahead and set that before any of that concealer creases under my eyes. I'm gonna use the Master Fix by Maybelline, tap a bit into the cap, and I'll use a foundation brush to pat that on under my eye. You never wanna drag powder over cream because it'll move the product underneath. Now I'm gonna go in with a bronzer, and I've really been loving this lately. And I had to tape the perfume bottle in right here because it keeps falling out. I'm gonna go in with this bronzer shade right here. Any bronzer is totally fine for this look. I just love the way these products smell. So I'm gonna use like a domed fluffy brush for this. So I'm just gonna load up the product, tap it off, and kind of just warm up my face. And then using the same brush, I'm gonna go into the blush shade. So in one of my previous videos, I used this liquid highlighter from Trust Fund Beauty. I really liked it, but I think that it's not really great for blending on top of powders because it's so thick and it dries really fast. So I'm gonna try today on my bare skin. So I'm gonna take some on the back of my hand. It's so thick it like doesn't even want to come out of the tube. Ooh, there we go. So I'm just gonna be really fast. Ooh, that is blinding. That is amazing. And you really want to work as quickly as you can with this product because it does dry really fast. So I'm gonna grab a little bit more of that and just throw it into the corners of my eyes and on the arch of my brow. So for the eyes, I'm just gonna throw a tiny bit of concealer to cover up like dark spots and veins on my eyelids. And set that in place with that same powder I was using earlier. I've been living for this palette This is the Naked Chocolate Bar palette by Makeup Revolution. I've been using this like every day of the week, and I don't know why I haven't done a video on it yet. It looks like this inside. It has like a ginormous amazing mirror, and it comes with the shadow protector that has all of the names of the shadows on it. So I'm going to take the shade Toblerone, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to take like a fluffy crease brush and just kind of work that really lightly into the crease just to make it look like I have a little bit of natural definition, which I totally don't. And then after that, I'm just gonna take Double Dip from this palette, which is this awesome shimmery gold shade right here. I'm gonna take that on my finger and I'm just gonna pop it onto the lid. I do want to set that liquid highlighter in place, so I'm going to go back to the Physicians Formula Butter palette and I'm going to take this shade down here, which is actually a limited edition shade. This is called Full Moon. It's so buttery. Oh my god, I die. So it's a nice like gold kind of hue. So it might not work on every skin tone, but I am kind of going for like a gold sort of look today, so I'm going to take that on my fan brush and just sweep it over this. Woo! I'm just going to curl my eyelashes really fast. And then I'm not going to do like a crazy wing or anything, but I am going to take the Physicians Formula Eye Booster eyeliner, and this is like a lash growing serum in here, and I do think it's been making a difference for me. But I'm just going to line my eyes with that. Just on the top. I'm going in with the Covergirl Lash Blast. I am also going to do the bottom lashes. I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Fix Spray. This is supposed to have like light reflectors in it for like a really natural glow. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do is apply some lip oil. I'm going to use the Covergirl Vitalist Elixir lip oil, and this is in some sort of shade Guava Goodness. This is really moisturizing on the lips. It goes on a really light, and it smells fruity. I'm guessing that's supposed to be guava. So this is pretty much it. Super glowy, super easy. I'm going to take it one step further. I know that the Fenty Body Lava thing is so popular right now, especially for summer. I do have the Buxom Divine Goddess Illuminizer. And it is super glowy. It comes in an enormous tube. Like, this is almost the size of my face, like the length of my face. So I'm gonna actually take some of this, and if you're gonna be like at the beach and you just want like a natural glow, you can kind of put this on yourself. I have like terrible lighting in my room, but it just gave me this nice like natural glowy sheen. Put it on my shoulders. See that? Ooh, so pretty. And it just has like a nice light scent to it. It's nothing like super perfumey. Alright guys, this is the final look. I feel glowy and light, and I don't feel like I have heavy cakey makeup on, but I still look pretty. This is a perfect look for the summer. If you're going to the beach and you don't want to completely go without makeup, you could wear waterproof mascara and it would probably last all day. There's nothing major going on here that's gonna transfer off during the day, especially if you're sweating or if you don't have a lot of time to get ready, or you know, the heat's just bothering you. This is the perfect look for any of those occasions. So if you guys want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! Ooh.